Hello, my name is Andres Fabian Guevara. And in this teacher's name, Jenny Paula Hernandez Lopez. Today I'm going to show you organizational processes and well-being in multi-sporting events. This has happened in my company, in the company I had been working for. First, at the actions, the events are active team sport events. Our company organizes multi-sport championships inside organizations. We form sport teams to help people improve teamwork, communication, and healthy habits. We work with different sports such as soccer, basketball, volleyball, and athletics. These are the basic organizational processes we follow. First, in the planning stage, we identify how many people want to participate and what sports they prefer. We also plan the rules, schedule, and the sport locations. Second, we organize the participants into balanced teams and assign roles to our staff, such as trainers and nutrition advisors. Third, in the leading stage, we motivate teams, explain the rules, and encourage fair play. Finally, we evaluate each event through a controlling stage, reviewing results, safety, and participants' satisfaction. Here, people in the workplace. Here you can see the different people involved in our events. Trainers, lead ups and basic sport techniques. Nutrition specialists give advice about healthy eating and hydration. Logistic staff prepare equipment, uniforms and sport spaces. And coordinators manage communication and scheduling. And referees make sure the competition is fair and safe. Health, productivity, and closing. Through our experience, we see that sports and healthy habits increase productivity. Participants show more energy, better concentration, less stress, and stronger teamwork. In conclusion, active team sports events helps our company build healthy and unite teams throughout sports, championships, and wellness practices. Thank you very much for watching.